उसने लेटर लिखने के बाद ऊपर लिख दिया डू रीड दिस लेटर टू एज मेनी एज पॉसिबल। ये लेटर मैक्सिमम लोगों को पढ़ा देना। तो उस थॉट के साथ दिया होगा कि हमारे देश के जो भी सिटीजन्स हैं, सैनिक हैं, हर कोई इसको जाने कि हमारे सैनिक क्या सोचते हैं। आप सब लोग उस टारगेट को एक्सपायर कर रहे हो। एंड ही क्वालिफाइड दैट एंड ही गॉट फॉर अमीर चक्रा। उसमें क्या चीजें रही वो मैं थोड़ा पार्ट आपको ध्यान देना। दिस लेटर इज रिटन ऑन 19th of June. Dear Pawan, do read this letter to as many as possible. I received your both letters but could not reply the first one. Both of them reached me in midst of hot battle. It's really difficult to fight the enemy at this altitude. He is well inside bunkers and defense, and we are in open. He has planned his move very well and has occupied most of the heights. Initially things were really bad for us and we suffered most of the casualties. But now situation is under control and more planned and deliberate attacks are going on. In last 1.5 months I have seen the worst. In probably Operation Vijay would account for the maximum casualties in minimum time. I have myself brushed shoulders with death 4 times, but might be because of some good work I am still alive. Every day we are receiving letters from all over the country saying the same sentence, just do it. It's really good to see that at time of need and crisis our country gets united. I really don't know what would happen the next moment, but till now I can assure you and all countrymen that certainly we would push back intruders whatever the cost we have to pay, maybe our lives. This operation has certainly given me some exposure which cannot be quantified, like leading men on the face of death, their fear, their loyalty, the stress and strain, both physical and mental, which human being can take. But yeah, infantry Jawan is ultimate. He will do anything provided led properly. And as I have always told you, what infantry gives you cannot be told. But today I am so proud of my decision of joining infantry that I cannot explain. Here weather is cold and snow has started melting down. If sun comes, days are okay. And night temperature goes up to -45 degrees centigrade. It all would get over, but the time factor cannot be told. But frankly speaking, no one can say for certainty about the enemy going back. Just one request that guide my brother at this crucial moment of his life, that is about his future. Convey my regard to all your friends for being so considerate to us. Do remain in touch. It gives lot of moral support. If I come back, we would have lot of things to talk about, but certainly this is going to be an everlasting experience for me. Yours, Manoj.